Welcome to our video where we'll be diving into the world of smart blinds. So, what exactly are smart blinds? Well, they are window coverings that can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or smart home assistant. Imagine being able to open or close your blinds with just a tap on your phone. How cool is that? Smart blinds not only add convenience to your life, but also offer energy efficiency benefits by allowing you to easily adjust the amount of sunlight entering your home. These high-tech blinds can be programmed to open and close at specific times of the day, giving you the freedom to customize your home's lighting according to your preferences. Plus, some smart blinds even have sensors that can automatically adjust based on the amount of natural light in the room. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's ambience, increase privacy, or simply make your life easier, smart blinds are a fantastic option to consider. With a wide range of styles and features available, you're sure to find a perfect fit for your space. So, say goodbye to traditional blinds and hello to the future with smart blinds. Upgrade your home with this innovative technology and experience the convenience and comfort it brings.